playing is called sound effects, so I actually need 2 volunteers. Wow. Boom, boom. First people up.
Yeah, Jack.
Yeah, you.
You are Jack? You. Let's give a round of applause for Jack and you. Alright, Jack, you are going to be providing the sound effects for Joe, so you can walk over right next to Joe. You will be providing the sound effects for Danny. Now, Danny and Joe live in a world where there is no sound. So if Danny tries to clap, this guy's got it already. So, you and Jack will be providing the sound effects for these 2 gentlemen. We're in a world with no sound. So, I need a scene for them. So, what is a place with a lot of action or a lot
Justin
of
Bieber concert.
Alright. You 2 wonderful gentlemen are at a Justin Bieber concert.
My God. My God, it's him.
Justin Bieber, I love you!
Screaming fangirls. Play me that baby baby song. No, the other one. Baby, that's it. Dad, thanks so much for taking this concert. It means so much to me. It means more to me. You're just here for the ride. Oh, that is disturbing. Well, I got 2 tickets. I'm ventilating. Hey, you there? Can you take our picture? Clickety click. I think the camera may be broken. Try one more time. I have my eyes closed. Gunner. There are like multiple cameras in the house. Paparazzi! Are you paparazzi! Sir, no pictures, no pictures. Daddy, I want to be famous. Okay, pictures. Just a second. Walk the runway. Take off your shirt. Oh yeah. Daddy, I'm only 6. Never too early. That's how you get famous. You sure, Daddy, you want me? Would I ever lead you astray, son? No. Well, there was that last time. But that was the pants that came off. Son, take off your pants. Dad! I don't think he's a real movie director. Give me $50 to see what the man says. Are those police cars? Oh my God, I think they can arrest the director! We're going to go back to the Justin Bieber concert. Oh my God, Justin Bieber on stage again! Oh my God, how'd he get there? Perform for us, Justin, perform! Do the baby baby song again! Oh my God, Justin just had a heart attack, boys!